Want to pay your Atome bill using GoTyme Bank without hassles? Here's a verified step-by-step walkthrough that actually works. Open your Atome app, go to Bills or Pay Now, and select Bank Transfer via InstaPay. Copy the 16-digit InstaPay code provided. Log into the GoTyme Bank app, tap Pay Bills from the home screen. Select a non-enrolled biller, which is a biller not yet in your list. Enter the exact amount due from your Atome app. Paste the 16-digit InstaPay code into the subscriber or account number field. Review all details, then tap Confirm to proceed. You'll receive an in-app notification confirming the payment. InstaPay with GoTyme is typically real-time, so it often posts immediately. Yes, paying Atome via GoTyme using your copied InstaPay code and the Pay Bills feature is supported and effective. It's usually instant, but you may encounter infrequent delays of a few hours or a couple of days. This has been How to Literally, where we keep it smart, simple, and scam-free. See you in the next one.